Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we got a very nice super casual watch face that's worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. But I got to give you a heads up. This is the end of the batch video recording. So at the time of the recording, it was free. It may still be free, but it's definitely worth a look. Now, the name of the watch face is called a Me. I like the look. It's a simple analog watch face, but yet it looks good for a casual wear, especially for a weekend wear, but you can wear this through the work week. Cool? All right, let's check this watch face out. Now in AOD mode, you're going to get a similar look for the Gears 3. It's going to look slightly different for the Gears 2, but you'll still be able to get your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, as we look at the watch face, you're going to get numbers going around the bezel of the watch. I do like the look of the index. I do like the theme in the background as well. Now, you get 3 dials. Up at the top, you're going to get your date, surrounded by the days of the week, and surrounded by the months. And it's going to highlight what month and day it is, so therefore you know exactly what day of the week it is. Now, if you look to the right, I like the look of the moon phase. That moon kind of rotates around. It looks really, really nice. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your step info, and you're going to get a little graph that's going to let you know how much of your goal you have completed as well. Now, if you look over to the left, you are going to get your battery info. Now, it is customizable. So if I tap right here, I can go ahead and go through many color themes of this watch face, which looks, to me, awesome. You can do the same thing with the index, but you got to tap on it a certain way, and you can change that pretty much to any color you want. It's going to look super awesome once you set it up to your liking. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this watch face is still free. Don't forget, hit me in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.